It's so much harder back in the day. Ngayon, napakarami na yung opportunities, right? So if you feel that you get a little bit overwhelmed, you have to keep this in mind. It is so much easier to sell information right now than back in the day. So much easier to create a product. There's so many tools and automation that we don't have back then. There are a lot of tools, like even the webinar software that I use right now, yung Zoom. Though my subscription is paid because I want some functionalities that are special that you have to pay. Pero the webinar that I'm using right now, you can actually use this for free. May mga ilang limitations ka lang. But if you're just starting, this is so much better. This is for free. You can use it for free. You can try it all you want. Parang may limitations lang siya ng number of subscribers or listeners that can watch. Pero back when I was starting, tong webinar like this one, bayad ka agad dito, automatic. Bayad. Even the email service provider, yung kaninang may nagtanong about MailChimp. Back in my day, wala kaming free. Bayad ka agad. Like, I think the minimum was $20 kung daw nagkakamali, yung Aweber. Ngayon, merong like free for the first 1,000 subscribers. For free. Like, you can use the entire functionality, walang limitations. Yun lang, pag nag-over ka na ng 1,000, you have to pay more. Kaya nga, I'm so excited with this kind of business because it gets better and better. Because yung mga email service provider or yung mga software providers, they outcompete each other, which is good for us. So the only thing talaga na magkakatalo is those who will take action and those who won't. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.